Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to give a quick introduction to the lab we're going to be doing on Friday, which is on Newton's third law. This is a very quick and short lab, so the equipment we're going to be using is pretty simple. I'm going to be using Logger Pro with the same controller that we're using before. USB goes to the computer, and we're going to be using two force sensors. Two force sensors are connected to the controller, and they're going to be using them to measure forces, essentially. So let me start up Logger Pro. So I'm going to go to Logger Pro just by doing Logger Pro. And you can see that the program has already figured out that we have two force sensors plugged in, but notice that they are not zero. So one says -5, one says -3. I can pull on one on this end and I can change the value of that force. It's up to 12. And so that's what we're going to be doing, but the first thing we have to do is zero out the forces. So the way you do that is you go up to Experiment, click 0, and then both won't be checked. Click OK, and then hopefully they'll zero out. Okay, now they're ready to be used to verify Newton's third law. You can start recording and take data, and you can see, like, if I take one of them and I pull, I get some data, and then take the other one, and I can pull, and I can get some data. And this is the basic setup for the lab, okay? While I'm here, I think that I would just like to point out that a lot of you haven't been signing out of your Macs. For instance, I pulled this Mac out of the cart, and somebody else was signed in. So I don't know if that does anything to the computers or to your accounts, but I would recommend just logging off just to make sure. Okay, I'll see you guys in the lab. Take it easy.